My country people, I don't bring an ogbonge pidgin news story for this 20 minutes. So today I won't bring on 14 ogbonge Nollywood actress wey don't marry before come divorce and then not come marry again. Mercy Aigbe, the popular Yoruba Nollywood actress will be Mercy Aigbe marrying ex-husband will be Larry Gentry, will be ogbonge business person and he get hotel when he dey manage. They break up 2018 and after wey they don't marry for 5 years. According to wetin Mercy Aigbe yarn, she come out for the marriage to say because the husband dey always dey beat her. In Edo, better ogbonge Nollywood actress will be in Edo marry her ex-American-based husband will be Philip Ehegwena 29 November 2018. And we hear for rumors say Philip be don marry before to Nigerian-American-based model will be Ruth Okoro. The marriage break up after winning Iwaka comot say her husband dey beat her and they cheat on her for inside September 2014 and they not born at all. Chika Ike, the Nollywood actress and businesswoman will be Chika Ike married Tony Iberibe, her former husband will be banker 2006 and they break up after 7 years of marriage for inside 2013. The ogbonge actress come out to come here say she waka comot say because her husband that abuse her for inside the marriage and they not born pikin at all for inside the marriage. Tonto Dike, the controversial Nollywood actress will be Tonto Dike marry her ex-husband will be Olakunle Chochi 29 August 2015 for inside Lagos and the marriage last for only 2 years and they scatter for inside 2017. Like wetin Tonto Dike come here on top video for YouTube. She yarn say her husband and her social media for one night and a ritualist and they born only one son for inside this marriage. Iyabo Ojo, the popular Yoruba Nollywood actress will be Iyabo Ojo marry a Lagos-based marketer for inside 1999 when she be 21 years old. Iyabo Ojo got small break for her career. She come born one boy and one girl will be Festus and Priscilla Ojo as she come divorce their papa. Uche Elendo, the Nollywood actress wey formerly marry ex-husband and Owerri millionaire will be Walter Ugochukwu Igweanyeba wey they popularly call Prince Nku for January 2012 for inside Owerri, Imo State. And they break up after wey they get gbege wey be say they no fit settle. They born 2 daughters for inside this marriage. Kate Henshaw, the better ogbonge Nollywood actress will be Kate Henshaw wey marry her ex-British husband will be Roderick James Nota, the manager of Ledrop Nigeria Limited. This marriage lasts for 12 years before the marriage come kick leg for stone for inside 2011. According to the report we hear, the marriage is divorced so after wey Kate come out come complain say her husband dey cheat on her and they born one girl pikin for inside this marriage. Lilian Esoro, the Nollywood screen diva will be Lilian Esoro wey marry her ex-husband, music executive and businessman will be Ubi Franklin on top one big wedding wey they do for inside Lagos in November 2015. And the marriage lasts for only 1 year before they come break up. Say because they get ogbonge wahala wey say they not give they settle. And they born one boy for inside this marriage. Yvonne Jegede, the Nollywood actress will be Yvonne Jegede wey formerly married popular Yoruba Nollywood actor will be Olakunle Fowale wey they call Abounce. 4th of February 2017. Where this marriage lasts for only 1 year before the court scatter. According to wetin the actress yarn, he said 2 of them come together to separate to go their own ways. Juliet Igborukwe, actress Juliet marry her ex-husband will be Olakunle Chima Okonkwo September 2011 and they separate for 2012 after a few months wey they marry. During that time, Juliet come out call and say they separate to say because the marriage get issue. We say they no fit settle. But for inside 2014, the couple come later come back. But the marriage come scatter finish for inside 2018. After we the actress come out to come the shout to they accuse the husband saying they beat her for inside the marriage. Doris Simon, the Shashai ogbonge Nollywood actress wey marry the popular Nollywood producer and director will be Daniel Ademinoko. The couple separate inside 2010 because of ogbonge plenty marriage problem and they born one boy before they separate. As Daniel Ademinoko don marry another ogbonge popular Nollywood actress will be Stella Damascus. Uche Ogbodo will be ogbonge actress wey marry Mr. Otto for inside 2013 and she be carry big belle when her 10 months marriage is scatter. And the reason wey make this marriage stay scatter they no yarn am till today. And they born one daughter together for inside the marriage. Mimi Ojekwe, ogbonge actress Mimi Ojekwe wey marry her ex-husband wey be popular Nollywood actor and producer wey be Charles Billion July 2015. They divorced after 2 years of the marriage and rumor yarn say Mimi Ojekwe husband get pikin with another woman and they born one daughter for inside the marriage together. Osasi Hedaro, the ogbonge actress marry her ex-husband will be Gbenro Ajibade, the popular Nollywood actor, and they married 20th June 2015 for New York. The couple break up after 3 years and they no yarn wetin make them stay separate. This na Pidgin News Network with the Young Pidgin English and I mean na him bring una this story.